welcome back to Cruising as Crew. I really hope you are doing well. And in today's video, I just wanted to share with you why I have this channel, because I've been sharing my experience of working on cruise ships for about 2 years now, but it dawned on me the other day I've never actually said why I do this, why I have this channel, why I'm sharing my life on board cruise ships. So that's what I thought I would share with you today. So about 2 months after I started my contract on P&O Oceania in 2018, I wanted to start a YouTube channel because I just felt like I was living this incredible life, meeting these people, seeing these places, and it was just insane to me that not everyone was doing it. And of course, not everyone wants to work on a cruise ship, and that is absolutely fine. However, working on cruise ships isn't exactly something that's talked about on Careers Day at school. There isn't much awareness about it, and some people don't even consider it an option because they just don't know it is an option. And even if they do know it's an option, there's so much mystery around working on a cruise ship. And I just wanted to answer people's questions about it, break through that mystery, so that people would feel comfortable to take that leap of faith and start this amazing career working on board cruise ships. Anyway, I didn't start a YouTube channel back then. I started posting on Instagram about working on cruise ships and just answering people's questions. Honestly, because it was easier. I had absolutely no idea how to start a YouTube channel, what it entailed, the equipment I would need, how to speak in front of a camera. But that's when I realised there was actually a demand for the information that I had, because ever since starting my Instagram, my inbox has been full of questions from you guys, just how do I work on a cruise ship? What job do I do on a cruise ship? How do I even start the process of working on a cruise ship? But anyway, 2020 hits and I get sent home in March from the Scarlet Lady due to COVID, and like everyone, I'm stuck at home with absolutely nothing to do, and I'm just thinking, if I don't start a YouTube channel now, I never will, because at the moment I have all the time in the world to learn how to talk in front of a camera, to make mistakes, to learn how to edit, to learn about the equipment I need and all of that stuff. And honestly, this YouTube channel is doing better than I could have ever imagined, because for such a niche subject, to have over 16,000 of you here is insane. So I just want to take this moment to say thank you to you for being here and for supporting my journey and just experiencing this with me. I really appreciate it, and I really hope you know that, and I hope you can feel that, because this would be nothing without you guys at the other end. I've been thinking a lot recently about why I'm doing this, my message, what I'm trying to get across, and I think it's safe to say nowadays most people want to travel the world. But contradicting what you see on Instagram every day, not everyone has the money to. And I always say people who have the money don't have the time, and people who have the time don't have the money. And boy, is it true, because I bet you're in one of those categories. But there are hundreds of ways that you can travel the world for less, and you can travel and work. But cruise ships is just one of them. And cruise ships is a really good option for traveling and working and earning money. So for anybody out there who does want to travel, who does want a new adventure, to get in touch with themselves, to meet new people, cruise ships definitely is something that you should consider. And the thing is, I have worked in the spa on cruise ships and I have worked in the shops on cruise ships. I'm basically a shop assistant. So it's not that I am in love with my job, it's that I am in love with cruise ships. I don't hate my job by any stretch of the imagination, but would I love to be doing the job on land back in my hometown? Probably not. But doing this job on a cruise ship is a completely different kettle of fish. You know, I love waking up in a different country every day. I love being surrounded by people from all over the world who can teach me stuff about religions and just their different points of view. And I love how fast-paced everything is. You know, you just never know what's going to happen in a day. You wake up thinking your day's going to go one way and it goes another, but not in a bad way. Sometimes even better than you imagined it to be. And it just makes me feel alive. because I just have so much going on and so much information around me, and I just love it. I really, really love it. And then of course there's the benefit of, like, it's a tax-free job because I'm not in the UK. I'm outside of the UK for over 6 months of the year, so I don't pay tax. I don't pay any bills because my food, my lodging, my Wi-Fi even, because I'm on Virgin, is included. So pretty much the only thing I pay for is if I go out and enjoy myself, or if I go for dinner and I have an alcoholic beverage. So I think this is like my 230th video or something, so there are plenty of videos that I have made on the benefits of working on cruise ships, and I'll link some of them down below. But to wrap it up, the reason I have this channel is to inspire you to work on cruise ships, because I really do believe that even if you come on board and you don't like it, you will take so much away from this experience, even if you only do 1 or 2 contracts. And you won't realise it at the time. I didn't realise it. But when I got back from my 2nd contract with Royal Caribbean, my family and friends were like, you are a completely different person, in the best way. They were like, you're more self-aware, you have more confidence. Like, before I went on ships, I was really shy, believe it or not. Was I? But shy, maybe insecure's the word, I don't know, but I developed in a lot of areas because that's what cruise ships do for you if you go on with an open mind. I mean, it has just been everything to me. Like, I have been to over 50 countries, I think 42 of them I have visited via working on a cruise ship. I've been able to save more money than I ever would have been able to if I was working and living on land, because I'm not paying bills, food, etc. It's enabled me to make friendships with people from all over the globe who I would have for sure never met, never even interacted with if I hadn't been on cruise ships. It has changed my mindset for the better. I'm motivated, I'm passionate, I'm open-minded. I also have self-belief, like, and I think self-belief comes from being able to trust yourself. But how can you learn to trust yourself if you never challenge yourself? And coming on cruise ships is a challenge, and you overcome challenges every day. But it's amazing. I just think it's the most insane, wonderful job. Whatever you do on cruise, like I said, it's not even about the job that you do. It's about being on a cruise ship. And it's the best decision I have ever made, coming on cruise ships, and I'm happy. And I think that's something, it's something I've thought about recently. Like, I know a lot of people who aren't happy, and I think there's a lot of factors that goes into being happy, but I do think cruise ships, or being on cruise ships, has a big part to play in my happiness. How could it not? Like, I'm in a different place every day, surrounded by wonderful people, eating amazing food. Like, how could that not have a part to play in my happiness? So yeah, like, just so grateful and in awe, I guess, of this life that I'm living. And I just want everyone to experience that. I want everyone to be able to build amazing friendships and see wonderful places and save money so that they can buy a house, or travel even more, and do whatever you want to do. You know, but we all have dreams. But normally, to make those dreams a reality, we need money. And it's becoming harder and harder to live on land and actually be able to save money. You know, I know people who are managers and they're living paycheck to paycheck. So, you know, just being able to save money is something that I'm grateful for, because I know that that's not a position that everybody is in. But anyway, that is why Cruising as Crew exists, because I want you to feel empowered and inspired to take that leap of faith and start your career on cruise ships. Because as I said, even if you get on board and you're like, I don't think this is for me, you will take so much from this experience. It'll be worth it. But anyway, guys, if you do have any questions, please leave them down in the comments and I will absolutely get back to you. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here, watching these videos. And if you are watching this wanting to work on cruise ships, just do it. If you're scared, I was scared. Like, every worry and concern you have right now, everyone who works on cruise ships had those as well before they came on board. Just do it. It's the best thing you'll ever do. You will absolutely thank yourself later. But anyway, thank you again, and I will see you in the next video, guys.